I've been on the road for 9.5 hours now, and I still have 38 minutes until I get to the rescue location. I really, really hope I'm not too late. This is just a nightmare situation. I think it's here. Yeah. Puppy! It's definitely not good. I'm not hearing any sounds. Let's see. 50 feet. And here's the puppy. Are you alive? Puppy! He is alive. Holy moly, he's alive. Oh my god. Puppy! Oh my god. It's okay. I'll get you out. Open it with a lucky leash that is controlled by a different string, and then I just need to loop him. Hello, good morning. How are you?
Alright, how about you?
Amazing now.
How are we looking?
We're gonna be okay.
You think so?
I believe so, yeah. Okay, so we're not as deep as I thought. We're at 57 feet.
Oh, we are.
So.
Alright, you just let me know what I gotta
Okay,
do.
so if you grab the yellow string. Okay. I'm gonna put baby food on this. Hopefully it'll make him lift his nose for it. Okay, there we go. Come on.
Yes, baby.
Oh my god. Okay, Katie. How deep? 42 feet. Okay. There we go. He's licking it. Okay, good. Wait, I think my loop is completely open. Yeah. Right?
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, you see the loop completely broke. Okay, so let's think how we prevent this loop from ever breaking. We're gonna do the same thing with the leash again.
It's okay, it's okay.
More food is coming, more food.
right now.
Oh, please, please, please.
Hey boy! Here boy! Hey boy! Here! Here boy!
Come on! He's licking it. Come on! This is so frustrating. Wait, I'm gonna take a breather. I'm gonna take a second.
Hopefully he just puts his head through it. Come on, put your head through it. Right there, just put your head up, put your head up.
The problem is it's stuck somewhere. Because look,
really?
any motion that I make doesn't affect it. Oh, here. I got him. Yeah. Okay, so now. Okay. I'll tell you, I'm going to have to pull and just hope for the best. There's nothing I can,
Yeah.
this is our chance. Okay, I'm pulling.
Alright. He's coming.
Pull the camera up.
Perfect.
Pull the camera up. Got him? Yeah. Release the neck, release the neck. Oh my god, no way!
Thank you, man.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hold him tight. Hold him tight. Him, her. Just lay low, Lay low.
It's a him.
Good boy.
Oh my god, thank you, man.
Oh my god, this is...
Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at you.
Should we?
Oh, look how pale he is.
Can you hold him? Let me call my sister to call the vet immediately so we can rush him to the vet.
Do we have a vet who will take us in here real quick?
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Oh my god, I love you. I love you. You.
We got him out. This guy is an angel. Don't cry. You know, FaceTime me, hurry. He looks in good shape.
Okay.
He's okay, he's
in
okay.
good shape. I'm shaking, literally.
But you see his leg? Look what he's doing here.
Yeah, I saw that earlier. It's also got a little blood on the side of his. See that there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's typical head trauma stuff.
Hey, Wellington, want some food? Want to try some food? Good boy. Jasmine. Good girl. Came from the well. She called me and then I got connected to the story, but this is 4 days in, you know? So it's so crazy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, because without it, they would have never known to get to me. So, pretty cool. Oh, Wellington. There.
Oh, that he's so young, he doesn't even
It's so
know.
interesting.
I love it.
These
I love
x-rays.
it.
I looked at it and I was like,
Did you take the other side though? Yeah. To compare. Okay, thank you.
and then I gave you a that's horrible writing. I'm so sorry.
I never do this. I never talk to the camera, but this is so important. I want to thank all of you who have been donating to Hope For Paws and help us save so many lives, but this is such a great example. This little Wellington would have absolutely been dead by now if we didn't get the call to come and save him. The fire department did their best, but they were unsuccessful in retrieving him from the well, and we are really their last lifeline. So, you know, if you haven't done so yet, I really hope you'll join us with a donation and really help us change the lives of these animals. Look how happy he is, and it was just so sad that just a couple days ago he was in the well and giving up, and here he is now. Right, Wellington, you good boy. You want to pierce my nose? Wellington, such a good boy. Let's go. Get him now. Tail. Right? Wellington? Wellington?
Doesn't matter how he gets it. Yeah,
Yeah, 9:30 he started getting tired and he's ready to go.